Good afternoon, everyone. I hope you can enjoy the wonderful afternoon. My name is Jason. Today, I will introduce my indoor self-driving robot. The indoor self-driving robot is built for performing domestic services. Users can command the robot on their mobile devices, and the robot can deliver items around the building automatically. Let's start our live demonstration. I use a couple of duct as my cargo, and I'm going to bring them to the area in front of my camera. First, I open the Robotic web page on my phone, and this web page is hosted on the robot for the local area network. Then I choose the destination and press the start button. After receiving the request, the robot will navigate itself to the destination and bypass the obstacle on its path. This technique is supported by stereo camera in front of the robot. Currently, it is only using simple obstacle detection logic, and I'm working on improving the detection accuracies. Also, I will resume the self-charging and self-charge cleaning function soon. And I will start integrating the robotic arm and the scissor lift platform on the robot. If you want to get the earliest update, you can follow my YouTube channel and my Twitter account. This is the end of my presentation. Feel free to ask me questions. Thank you.